This is part 2 to the battery balancer from Litime. Apparently my phone died on me while I was making the other video. If you've seen part 1, you should have legit as part 2. So I had this plugged in for a few minutes while I was charging the phone. This isn't a good test, as in it's literally just been here for maybe 10 minutes, maybe less. All right, where we left off was we was checking the voltage of these two batteries again. Let's see what we got here. 13.6869. $13.6869. Kind of bouncing back and forth. That's where I got the terminals led to or attached to. Okay, let's see what this side looks like. This is bank 2. 13.6769. I'm gonna have to refer back to my video from part 1 because my brain said 10 minutes to remember it was too much. Apparently, I don't remember exactly what the voltage was. So 13.67. This actually looks way better already. Let's go back and check this again. Sorry guys. 13.67. 13.68. So 10 minutes out here, the batteries, sorry, my slurred speech here, are balanced by 0.01 volts so far, and it's only been on it for 10 minutes. Now these are were fully charged batteries, topped off. Not sure why they're imbalanced, but they were topped off. And so far I will do follow-up video up on this in a couple days and see how the solar panels charge it up and down, and we'll go from there. Please like and subscribe to this video if you guys want to see more videos on the sold out Litime 3000 watt solar inverter charger. I'm getting it set up to, oh, sorry about that blinding, 12 by 36 shop I'm working on here. Again, like and subscribe. And this is all shot on a Galaxy, no, not Galaxy, a Google Pixel 7. All right.